One night I was very tired, and I remember looking up, and this airplane was getting ready to leave. There was 200 people on it, and I shared this with the students. I look up, and there was a 3-year-old boy in the window. He was waving at me, and I kind of waved, I'm thinking, I have to do this right, because mom and dad is dependent on me to get them there safely. My name's Kevin Oetting. I am an AMT instructor here locally in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I remember being in school. I remember starting. I remember the hard parts and the easy parts. That's cool because I know what it's like to be in their shoes, and I can relate to that. You have to be on your A game. You have to have a lot of self-discipline. You have to be able to understand mechanical processes, how things work. You also have to have very good penmanship. Very simple things like that. It's a process that you build and build and build. It's not something that everybody can do. They've got to concentrate on the foundation, and then they got to remember it and build on it because it's all tied in together. It just starts with very basic math, then it goes to fundamentals, it goes to self-disciplines, there's rules and regulations, federal air regulations. And it's kind of like studying for your driver's test. You have a thick book, you need to study. It's important to study. So it goes from that aspect all the way more involved, where they're tearing down engines, they're running engines, they're doing inspections on airplanes, and there's a lot of research that they have to do. So it just graduates to more responsibility, more accountability. You'll be tested on the airframe of the aircraft, everything involved with it. Then it goes to the power plant, which is the same process too. Then the hard part kicks in, because you have knowledge and wisdom, that's reading about it, but understanding is applying what you learn. They have to physically do the work, they have to describe why they're doing it, and they're going to have to fix things. 44 different topics with 7 questions per topic as they're fixing things. I feel that the students are part of their team. And hey, encourage them, don't enable them, but encourage them and they'll go in the right direction. I'm not trying to be a Hallmark card, but that's just the truth. It's a field that has a lot of opportunity. It's really neat. It has a lot of benefits. Travel, you develop a lot more responsibility, safety, accountability. So if you want to take that attitude, if you care about people, you care about doing a good job and setting the bar super high, it's an excellent field to get into. Will you have struggles? Yes. Will there be hard days? Yes. But there is all benefits to it because you know that you can get that family safe to where they need to go.